Some of my colleagues had already visited and they really enjoyed it and thought it would be a good idea. So I'm here with a bunch of my colleagues to learn more about it.
We were able to come up with a plan that we divided up into quarters with really succinct actions that we needed to accomplish. And we started small, and that's what we learned here. And they helped us come up with, goals that we needed to reach each quarter. And we were able to actually reach all of our goals in the year. We have a long way to go, but we met goals that we never thought we could meet before we came here.
Asking the patient when I bring them back or my medical assistant brings them back to ask them if they have a support person with them. That's not something that's ingrained in us as doctors to think about. So it's kind of the beginning of changing of the consciousness. It changes kind of how I think about it, which is hopefully going to translate into how my staff starts thinking about it.
It's also given us a great team building experience because we're here with people that we wouldn't normally work with day to day. I certainly don't as a volunteer.
We went to a session yesterday about how to design the council and recruit family members. And that was, for me, that was the biggest part because that was our biggest struggle. How do you find family members and keep them involved?
This is the place to come to learn how to start it, how to organize it, how to get support from the leadership team. But because we already had it in place, it's still a great conference to come to because they teach you how to re-engage.
So I came to kind of learn about patient-family-centered care and how I can apply that to my outpatient clinic. Because our hospital service is much more advanced in doing this than we are. So on our ambulatory side, we're just now starting to get our feet wet, and I wanted to kind of start knowing how I could start taking those steps in my practice.
So there's really knowledgeable faculty, but it's also so tailored to whatever stream you want to be part of. So being able to go to the larger sessions, but then choose something that you really want to learn about, and it doesn't have to be the same as someone else.
I've met a lot of folks who have great ideas, and my contact list is growing, and I can't wait to get back and start to share those ideas with my teams.